Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you this Adventure Force hauler truck. As you can see, there's the semi truck. It also comes with a little front loader excavator type truck. It looks like a Tonka. It looks like a miniature version of a Tonka. Not the entire truck, it's just the little excavator thing. Friction motor, push and go. Adventure Force. Pretty cool looking thing. Let's open it up. Which I think you know how to do. Hold on guys. Sorry guys, I kind of need some help on this. It's easy to open, no? Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh, yeah. Watch it fully come out. I can. Oh, what? It already got it out. Okay, that's very Pacific. Alright. Oh, there's now a twisty tie at the back. Are you serious? Twist this. It says to unlock it. Are you kidding me? Okay, I don't know how you get this out. Oh, you gonna play it? Oh, jeez. Oh, yeah, thank you. Oh, whoa. Oh, the truck came out. That looks like a Tonka truck, doesn't it? Yeah, it looks like a Tonka. Digger. Oh. Yeah, look at the back. I can definitely tell that's a Tonka. Let's bring it back. There's the truck. Oh, thank you. Alright, it says removable trailer. Let's see if that's true. I don't know how you do it though. Oh well, yeah, can't take it off. The box probably lied to us or something though. Can you take it off? The box said you could take off the trailer. That's the strangest thing. Oh, the front wheels are movable. Alright, so here's our truck. We can't take the trailer off. I think the box probably lied. Oh, gotta watch out for that. Because things can lie. Oh, so, yeah. Anyway, here's a little semi-truck job going on. Here's the full toy itself. So this is pretty cool. You can see it's got a trailer. Let me show you this. This is what I got for Christmas as well. Look at this.
Let's get started.
It even has this.
Let's get that done.
Alright, let's see it again.
Let's get that done again.
Alright, let's slow it down. There's a hydraulics to do a little garbage can. I'm gonna see you. Uh-oh, yeah. Oh, wow, that's a cool feature. That's a cool feature. Did you guys see that? Look at this cool feature. Look how it just falls into there. Oh my gosh, look how it just falls into there. Alright, let's bring it down. Clip there. What's this? Oh, good stuff.
Let's get started. Let's get started.
could do that. Wow. That's so amazing. Alright, let's go back to the toy. Again, this is so cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video with me. Bye.